Okay, continuing on with our treasure chest project. Now, when we build this treasure chest, if it's just going to sit somewhere and look pretty as a prop in whatever project we're working on, we don't have to worry about details like, oh, what's inside. But if we're going to animate this and have it open and maybe eventually put something in it, we're going to have to be able to scoop out the inside. And probably the easiest way that we're going to have to do this is to create a second treasure chest that doesn't have any of the detailing, any of the strapping we were talking about on the outside, that we can use as a Boolean object to sort of hollow out the inside. So that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to talk about saving a copy of this just as it is now before we get fancy with the modeling. Just going to save a copy that we can use later to Boolean out the inside. And eventually we'll scale it down a little bit, but for now we're just going to save this out. So right click and go to object mode, select the object, and then come in here to File, and we want to export, and we're exporting the selection. We want to do this as a Maya binary, and we don't really need to change any of these, but I'm just going to uncheck this include texture. There's really no texture info that's on it, so this doesn't matter, but just to show you making a change in the parameters. Sometimes you'll want to do some of these. So that's good. Export selection. We're going to put it in our projects here right next to our treasure.mb. Let's just change the name slightly so that it makes sense. So I'm going to call this treasure underscore no underscore detail. So there it is. We'll export selection. We get our student version notice. Click continue, and there it is. It's done. It's been exported. And we can minimize Maya in this little other window, open our projects window, and there it is. Okay, so that's good. We'll go back into Maya, and we're ready to continue on, and we'll do that in the next video.